They communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including a distinctive whoo call to gather the pack. Their hunting success rate is impressively high, often reaching up to 80%, significantly higher than that of lions. These dogs are incredibly resilient, thriving in a range of habitats from dense forests to open plains across sub-Saharan Africa. However, they face significant threats from habitat fragmentation and human-wildlife conflict. As human settlements expand, wild dogs sometimes prey on livestock, leading farmers to view them as pests. In Kenya, people are afraid of these scary animals due to their reputation and occasional livestock predation. Conservation efforts are critical to their survival. Organizations work to educate local communities, construct protective livestock enclosures, and monitor wild dog populations to mitigate conflicts. Number 12, silver fox. The silver fox is a captivating and rare variation of the red fox, known for its stunning silver-black coat. This coloration results from a genetic mutation called melanism, which increases the dark pigments in their fur. Historically, the allure of their unique fur made them highly sought after, driving extensive hunting and fur farming, particularly in the 19th and early 20th centuries. The high demand for their fur led to a significant decline in their numbers. In the past, their fur was so prized that it could fetch thousands of dollars, leading to the development of fur farms, especially on Prince Edward Island in Canada. Today, while fur farming still exists, conservation efforts have helped protect wild populations. Native to the northern regions of North America, Europe, and Asia, silver foxes thrive in diverse habitats, including forests, tundra, and even urban areas. Their adaptability is remarkable, allowing them to endure harsh winter conditions with their thick, insulating fur. Behaviorally, silver foxes are similar to their red relatives. They are primarily nocturnal, using a range of vocalizations to communicate, including barks, screams, and a distinct sound known as gecker. They form monogamous pairs during the breeding season, with both parents sharing the responsibility of raising their young. Their diet is omnivorous, consisting of small mammals, birds, insects, fruits, and berries. Number 11, bicolor cardinal. In Erie, Pennsylvania, Jeffrey and Shirley Caldwell experienced a rare spectacle in their backyard. Known for their love of birds and numerous feeders, the couple was astounded in January 2019 when a unique bicolored cardinal visited. This bird was a bilateral gynandromorph, an extraordinary phenomenon where one side of the bird exhibits male characteristics and the other female. Such occurrences are rare but possible across all bird species, particularly noticeable in species with sexual dimorphism, where males and females have distinct appearances. Cardinals are a prime example, as males are typically adorned in vivid red plumage, contrasting sharply with the more subdued colors of females. Number 10, pink katydid. Pink katydids are one of nature's most eye-catching anomalies. Unlike their typically green counterparts, these insects sport a vivid pink hue due to a rare genetic mutation called erythrism. This condition results in an abnormal amount of red pigment, or a lack of the usual pigments, making these katydids stand out in their leafy environments. First discovered in 1887, pink katydids occur only once in every 500 individuals, making sightings incredibly rare. Their bright coloration might seem like a disadvantage, as it makes them more visible to predators. However, some theories suggest that this unusual hue could help them blend in with pink or red flowers, providing a unique form of camouflage. Pink katydids belong to the species Amblycorifa oblongifolia, known as the oblong-winged katydid. These insects are typically found in the understories of deciduous forests, along thickets, and in damp leafy areas. They range across the eastern United States and into parts of Canada, favoring habitats with abundant foliage. Despite their striking appearance, pink katydids share many behaviors with their green relatives. They feed primarily on leaves, using their sharp mandibles to chew through plant material. Their long antennae and distinctive calls, made by rubbing their wings together, are characteristic traits that help them communicate and navigate their environment. Conservation efforts have had limited success in breeding pink katydids in captivity, with the Audubon Insectarium in New Orleans achieving notable progress by producing a new generation from a pink male and female pair in 2008. Number 9, Dumbo octopus. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, in the inky abyss where light fails to penetrate, dwells the enigmatic Dumbo octopus. Named for its resemblance to the beloved Disney character with prominent, ear-like fins, this creature is a marvel of the deep sea. The Dumbo octopus, belonging to the genus Grimpoteuthis, thrives in the extreme depths, ranging from 300 meters to an astonishing 7,000 meters, making it one of the deepest living octopus species known. Unlike many other octopuses, the Dumbo doesn't have an ink sac. Instead, it relies on its ability to camouflage and its quick swimming to evade predators. When threatened, it can contract its tentacles and muscles to appear larger, deterring would-be attackers. Its diet primarily consists of small crustaceans and bivalves, which it swallows whole thanks to its large, expandable mouth, a necessity in the sparse deep-sea environment where every calorie counts. What makes the Dumbo octopus particularly fascinating is its lifespan and reproductive strategy. It can live up to 5 years, which is exceptionally long for an octopus, and females carry eggs in different stages of development inside their bodies, releasing them over time to ensure continuous reproduction. The Dumbo octopus is seldom studied due to the challenges posed by its deep-sea habitat. Researchers rely on remotely operated vehicles to catch a glimpse of this elusive creature, as its home depth makes direct human observation nearly impossible. Number 8. White peacocks. White peacocks are among the most mesmerizing creatures you'll encounter. Unlike the vibrant blues and greens of the more common Indian peafowl, white peacocks boast stunning white plumage, which is not due to albinism, but to a genetic variation called leucism. This condition results in their feathers being completely white, yet their eyes retain their typical coloration. These birds, known scientifically as pavo cristatus, have all the grandeur of their colorful relatives. The male's elaborate tail feathers, or trains, can be up to 60% of their body length, adorned with intricate, shimmering patterns. During the mating season, these trains are fanned out in a spectacular display to attract peahens. White peacocks are adaptable birds, residing in various habitats, from forests and farmlands to gardens and parks. In the wild, they are primarily found in India, Sri Lanka, and parts of Southeast Asia, but they have been introduced to other regions worldwide due to their striking appearance. Their diet includes grains, seeds, insects, and small reptiles, which they forage from the ground. These peafowl are also known for their loud, distinctive calls, often described as screams, which can be heard from considerable distances. Number 7. Golden tiger. The golden tiger, a stunning variant of the Bengal tiger, owes its breathtaking appearance to a rare genetic trait. This mesmerizing animal is coated in a soft gold fur, accented with vibrant amber stripes, a result of a mutation known as the wideband gene. This genetic tweak inhibits the usual black pigment development, leaving the golden hue to dominate. Golden tigers are most often seen in captivity due to their scarcity in the wild. Every known golden tiger today can trace their lineage back to a specific individual, illustrating the controlled breeding that sustains their population. This lineage starts with Bhim, a tiger that carried the crucial wideband gene. His descendants continue to propagate this unique trait through selective breeding. In the wild, golden tigers were first recorded in the early 20th century, but sightings have been extremely rare. One notable sighting occurred in July 2020 at Kaziranga National Park in India, when a female golden tiger was captured on camera. Despite their captivating appearance, golden tigers face numerous challenges. Their distinctive coloration makes them less camouflaged, which would be a significant disadvantage in the wild. Additionally, inbred tigers are often more susceptible to health problems, reducing their chances of survival and reproduction. Number 6. Melanistic jaguar. Melanistic jaguars, often referred to as black panthers, are a stunning expression of nature's variety. These majestic creatures carry a genetic trait for melanism, making their coats predominantly black, although their iconic rosette patterns remain visible upon close inspection. This rare pigmentation is caused by an increase in the dark pigment melanin, which gives them an almost ethereal appearance in their native forested environments. Primarily found in the dense, shadowy undergrowth of the Amazon rainforest, melanistic jaguars excel in their habitat. blending seamlessly into the dark backgrounds.